Good morning, students. In our last WhatsApp class, we have discussed adverb and adverbials in our grammar text. Let us discuss today an important chapter in our grammar text, that is negative and interrogative. Before going to discuss negative and interrogative, first let us discuss sentence. What is a sentence? Let us first define. Sentence is a group of words or a combination of words or a single word which gives complete sense. So, on the basis of a clause, we can define sentence in three types. One is your simple sentence, next is your compound sentence, and the last one is your complex sentence. These three types of a sentence are divided on the basis of a clause. Means simple sentence having single clause, compound sentence more than one clause, and also complex sentence more than one clauses. But simple sentences are of four types which will be discussed in greater detail in your class 10 grammar book. Let us first discuss kinds of simple sentence. Simple sentences are of four types. Number one, declarative, which is otherwise known as assertive sentence, and that declarative sentence can be told as your statement. Next one is your interrogative sentence, and the next one is exclamatory, and the last one is your imperative sentence. In some grammar books, students, there is another type of a simple sentence which is given, that is optative sentence. Let us discuss today in simple sentences which can be changed into negative and interrogative. Students, sentence which gives positive statement, positive meaning, is known as your affirmative sentence, and the sentence which gives negative meaning, or the sentences or statements which are negative meaning, they are known as your negative sentences. And the sentences which asks questions is known as interrogative sentences. So students, some declarative sentence give a positive statement and some negative. The sentence which give positive statement is known as affirmative sentence, and the sentence which give negative sense, negative meaning, they are known as your negative sentences. Let us take some example. Rina is fond of sweets. Students, this is an affirmative sentence because this sentence give positive meaning, or this is a positive statement. That's why this one is an affirmative. 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 Affirmative sentence. Another sentence. Swallows are not seen in winter. Swallows are not seen in winter. You see here negative operator not is applied here. That's why this is a negative statement. Another example can be given. What I am going to say you. Hori can climb up tree. Hori can climb up the tree. This sentence is an affirmative sentence. Also, another sentence is there. Susmita did not sleep last night. Susmita did not sleep last night. Here is, you see, there is a negative operator that is not is there. So this sentence is a negative sentence. Another sentence I can give you. The moonlit night is very pleasant. The moonlit night is very pleasant. You see, this one is an affirmative sentence. Students, I want to point out you one thing. Whenever we change a positive statement into negative sentence, you remember one thing. You must not change the meaning of the sentence. You may change into negative sentence, negative meaning, but its meaning must not be absurd. Suppose I can give you an example. He does not fall in any bad company. He does not fall in bad company. Here, not is a negative operator. So this one is a negative sentences. Students, I have given you some questions to change into negative. In the next class, there are some important things which will be discussed. How we can change an affirmative sentence into negative sentence, remaining keeping the meaning same. Thank you all.